Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a product to your wish list. So normally a wish list is used if you like a product and you want to buy that product later. So for example, if I scroll down and I like this jacket, I will click on it. I will choose this jacket, and if I like this jacket and I want to buy it later, so I will click on this heart icon. As you can see, when I click on it, you can see that it is saying my product has been added to wishlist. And if you want to access your wishlist, here on the top left you will see a wishlist button. Click on it, and when you click, here all of your wishlist items will appear. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.